So we have the wireless charging X40 Turbo. This is from a company called XIU or XIU. Been seeing some really great reviews on this one, and I saw it at a buddy of mine's. Saw him use it and carry it, and it's very compact, very easy to travel with. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, which I am, and you're looking for like a charging solution for, say, your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch, this is definitely going to be a great solution right here. So we got the user manual in Mandarin, which is my native tongue. Just kidding, by the way. Somebody thought that I really spoke Mandarin. In case you can't tell, English is my second language. Spanish, right, is my first language. But got this nice little carrying case that it comes with. It's got a strap, nice little zipper pouch, if you would. We get a nice little GAN 45-watt charger, so that's going to help the devices charge quite a little bit faster than anything on the cheaper side or more affordable side. It is USB-C. Here is the actual charger itself. You can see how nice and compact it is. We'll check that in a moment. And you have a nice little braided USB-C cable. I want to say length on this bad boy is probably, very sort of Apple-esque unboxing in a way. Which is funny because Apple products barely include cables and charging docks these days. But here we go. As far as length goes, I want to say probably about 2.5 feet worth of USB-C to USB-C cable, which is not bad. And just having this case just makes it very nice and convenient, right? You can just throw it on there, have the charger, you're good to go. Now for the actual charger itself, check this out, guys. Look how compact this is. Traveling with this thing is going to be absolutely amazing because you could just throw this thing in the pocket and not have any... Did I say the pocket? See, this is where the knife content comes through. You could technically throw it in the pocket if you wanted to, but obviously, you can carry it on the actual pouch it comes in, or just throw it on your EDC bag or prep bag, whatever the case might be. This is going to be solid aluminum right here. So that's nice. It's got this nice rugged aluminum gray finish to it. There are black and orange and other colors available, I believe. Feels very nice quality here, 25-watt. Wireless charging station. So we're just gonna go ahead and unfold it here. It kind of looks like a sandwich by default. All right, check it out. It opens up like this, and then obviously you're gonna extend it as such. So here's your charger for your newer wireless charging AirPods. Got that nice little section right there. I'll do a demo in a second. In the middle square, we have a little pop out here for your Apple Watch. So whatever, Apple series you have, you can wireless charge it right there. And then of course you're gonna have the front plate here, which is going to be for your phone, right? Obviously you're gonna MagSafe slap your phone on there. It's got Qi, I believe that's pronounced Qi, Qi2.2 Qi fast wireless charging. This is, I believe, the fastest wireless charging you can do on iPhones and things like that. So check it out, very compact, really not taking all that much space, and even at your desk by default, just how small it is. All right, so let's go ahead and test it here, right? Connect the USB-C cable, bada bing, bada boom. It looks like you got a nice little white light right there. AirPods charging first. You can tell this is my wife's AirPods. I lost mine. I need to pick up a new pair. There we go. I'm just tilting it here so you guys can see the Apple Watch charging in the back. That is my Apple charger right there. Boom. And I'm using my iPhone, so I'm just gonna borrow my wife's iPhone here. Came at a perfect time. This thing was just at 7%. It is now at 8%. And it's safe to say that this is not going to take a large footprint on your nightstand or what have you. Whatever your most desired charging location would be. This is a very narrow, compact little footprint. And of course, like we said earlier, this thing is going to be really good for like traveling. Check out how quickly we can compact this guy. Fold down the Apple Watch charging. Bam, boom, bada bing, bada boom, bam. Got a nice little macaroon looking size. Really dope. Probably gonna be around the same thickness as some of the more powerful flashlights that you might carry on your prep bag or what have you. Compared to this previous solution that I was using from UGREEN, I got this one from my good friend Carlos. It's funny because he was the one that I saw upgraded to the XIU here, and he got his in orange because he got the iPhone 17 in orange, and he gifted me this one. I've been using it here for some time, and then my wife wanted a nice little all-in-one solution, so I got her this one. So this is going to be my wife's, and I'm very likely going to be picking up a second one for myself. But yeah, just check out the size here. Quite the size difference here, to say the least. As far as the width goes, about the same width, pretty much. They carry about the same footprint, but yeah, definitely way different from this angle for sure. This one also has the wireless charging Qi2 in the front, and then it has the wireless charging AirPod here and the watch charger here in the back. So even though this one compacts nicely, this one's got to beat as far as compact size and ease of travel and everything. I'll definitely have both of them linked down below in case you guys want to check out one over the other. This one also has a 25-watt max charging, and it's also a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger from UGREEN, a very recognizable brand in the sort of phone chargers and electronic space, really. And one other feature I'm realizing is how lightweight this thing is. Got the scale here. Charger alone is going to be 5.2 ounces or 147 grams for my friends across the pond. And if we do the whole case together here, this is the charging brick and cable. It's going to be only 9.5 ounces or 270 grams. So again, not bad at all. Absolutely great for traveling. That's obviously the go-to value proposition here.